Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back and literally recording this right after that video you might have just seen. So this is gonna be the second video of my GS2 tutorial, GS2, sorry. So for this video, I want to talk about classes and using them in NPCs. So this one's not gonna be too much scripting, but more of an explanation. So let's look at the classes here. So you can see I have a couple things here. Think of a class as a reusable script, something that maybe in the overworld multiple times, maybe used over and over and over again, or just think about it as like a building block for other things. So like Graal, for example, when you chop a piece of grass, mine's kind of glitched right now, but when you chop a piece of grass, it spawns in this class because we're reusing the code, so why not have a class? So we're gonna create one today. Let's create a class, which is this button right here. And let's just call this NPC underscore block. So now we have a class here. So now this class should be, I can access this class anywhere, and any of my weapon scripts on any of my NPCs. So using the NPC editor, which is a script that was designed by FilePlay, it lets us basically look at NPCs code in-game online on a server. So I created a basic NPC and I made it a block image, and then I did client side on created the set chat equals I'm an NPC. So now you can see the code is in this exact one, but let's say, see now it's in this one too, but let's say you want to reuse this without actually having to have this much code over and over and over again. So let's delete this. So let's take this code out of the NPC that we created. So let's just say you created a rock script that spawns a rock all around the world. Let's take that and let's paste that in this class. So now we have that class, and take a note of the name, NPC underscore block. So now when I save this and go back, you'll see that the code's still there, it's still running. But now let's try something. Let's edit the code. But when it's created, instead of actually writing any code, why don't we just do this dot join? So this NPC, this current one, and let's join the NPC underscore block. So basically I'm telling this NPC to just take the code from the NPC block. So now let's apply that and let's press F9. You'll see it didn't work because I should probably do function on created. So when the NPC is created, let's do that, my bad. So you'll see it's actually taking the code from our NPC, and you want to know why it's super nice? Let's duplicate this a couple times. Let's say you have, I don't know, let's just say you have a couple NPCs that give you money when you touch them. Let's say you need to update the system and you don't want to go through every single one and change the code itself. Just hopping over to the class. Let's go into our NPC block. And now this is a global script. It's working on all of them. So let's just do this dot chat. Let's just say hello, and then we'll concatenate player dot account. So this is client side, so my player object account attribute should be placed. So I save that, update the level quick because it just wasn't saved. Now you see they all updated and they all changed, every single one of them. So now we have complete control over what we want to do here. There's a lot of things you can do with classes, and this is just a basic overview. Just really simple, just breaking it down to the bare bones. You can get as creative as you want with objects in the game, like when you're shoveling sand in IERA, you get a shell. That shell that's on the ground is 100% a class, and it's just taking the code from here. So you can use this in a lot of different ways, and I'll make more videos. I'm sure most of my tutorials are going to have classes at one point. Before we even get there, I thought I'd just make a video kind of pointing it out, and now you have a little bit of an understanding. A lot of people don't know, a lot of people only know what the weapons do, but not actually what the classes do. So thanks for watching. Make sure to stay tuned and check out the playlist that this video is in. There should be tons of videos coming out in the next month. So thanks for watching and have a good day.